Welcome to SQHG. In this video, we are going to study terms related to electric current. The first term is free electron. So every element has some free electrons which are weakly bounded to the nucleus. Such electrons are called free electrons. They are negatively charged and they are always in a motion. The conductor carries this negative charge, which results in flow of electric current. Potential difference. The amount of work done to carry a unit positive charge from point A to point B is called electric potential difference between 2 points. Let's take an example of water. As you can see, the water will flow from the bottle beaker which is above to the beaker which is at the lower point, higher potential to lower potential, when the clamp is removed, until both have equal amount of water. Similarly, the charge is also flown from higher potential to lower potential. Now there is no height difference over here. The difference is created by the chemical reaction in between the cell. The difference is created by chemical reactions inside the cell, which allows the flow of electrons from higher potential to lower potential. Now, this flow of electrons result in the flow of electricity through a conducting wire from one end to another. Here in the diagram, it is from A to B. So this is a definition of potential difference. It is flow of electric current is only possible if there is a potential difference between 2 points. Now, the formula for potential difference is work upon total charge transferred. That is, V is equal to W upon Q. The unit of potential is volt, represented by V. Now 1 volt is when 1 joule of work is done to move one charge from one point to another. See, in exam, don't get confused between the definition of potential difference and 1 volt. 1 volt is 1 joule of work done to move one charge from point 1 to another. Here is next is electric current. Electric current is flow of electrons through a conductor. It is represented by I. Now, the direction of flow of electrons. It is from negative to positive end, but the direction of current is opposite. That is from positive to negative end. Whenever you are drawing a circuit diagram, you will always show the current flowing from positive terminal to negative terminal. But the electrons are flowing from negative to positive. Current is denoted by I. Formula for it is charge upon time. Unit of charge is coulomb and unit of current is ampere. Just like 1 volt, 1 ampere current is said to be flow in a conductor if 1 coulomb charge flows through it every second. 1C upon 1S, that is 1 coulomb per second. That is your 1 ampere. Now, to measure electric current, we use ammeter in our circuit, represented by the given symbol over here. Next is resistance. Resistance is like a speed breaker. Whenever you run or your car on a highway, there is no speed breaker. But when you run on a regular road, there are frequent speed breakers to control your speed of the car. Similarly, when the electrons are moving to control the velocity, that hindrance is called resistance of the conductor. The unit is ohm and the formula is V upon I, potential difference upon current flowing through the conductor. See the representation of resistance. Now resistance of 1 ohm. If 1 ampere current flows through a conductor when one potential difference is applied between its end, then the resistance of a conductor is 1 ohm. That is 1 volt upon 1 ampere. Ohms is the name of a scientist who discovered the resistance. So in honor of that, the unit is given to resistance. Now next is conductors and insulators. The substance through which the electric current is flowed, those substances are called conductors. An insulator which does not allow the flow of electric current through it. So hope you understood this video. In next video we will be discussing more about electric current. So hit the bell icon